that's another tip. And moving on to my hair. This hair is the hair that I had from a previous video, my Dsoar Hair. It is amazing. Like, I really do like this hair that they sent me. I made it into a wig. I have a small forehead. My frontal takes up a lot of space. So I feel like some people, the frontal like really is on the front of their head, but my frontals go all the way to almost past the half of my head. So like from a little past my ears all the way across is nothing but frontal. So I have a lot of space to play with when I want to do like a bun at the top, or I want to do 2 buns at the top, or if I want to braid it. It's very versatile. So I just take regular rubber bands. I go to the beauty supply, get a pack of rubber bands, and that's how I do my ponytails. I just use a rubber band because the rubber bands grip really good. So I'll do that, and then when it's time to take it off, I take a pair of scissors and I cut the rubber bands off so it won't rip out the hair. So that's how I do it. I'm still not a pro at making ponytails with weaves, okay? That takes some practice, okay? So it's not a perfect ponytail, but if that just goes to show, if I can do it, you can do it with no problem, because girl, it'd be a struggle. Like, don't look at the back of my head, honey, before I curl it, because when I curl it, I can kind of like play it off and like cover up the parts that are not like polished. But yeah, it still be looking cute, but I just don't like you up in my head. Just don't be up in my head. Just don't be that close. Then we'll be cool. So I do that. I take a piece of hair, wrap it around the rubber band part, the base of the ponytail, and then you can't clock me from far away. I mean, you have to stand probably like a foot away from me to really clock the parts that I didn't like polish up on, but that's fine. That's fine. So using a Hot Tools curling iron, see how pretty them curls lay down? And you saw, like, I didn't put any product in the hair. So from the beginning, from my first video, I still haven't put no product in the hair. I'm just letting the hair do what it do. And it holds the curls so nicely. This Hot Tools curling iron, I got at Sally's Beauty Supply probably like 3-4 years ago. It's a pretty old curling iron, but it gets the job done. And what I'm doing, I'm just wrapping around the barrel of the curling iron. I barely even open the mouth of the curling iron, because sometimes you get creases when you do that. And this curling iron, I'm curling on 450, and it's a very, very good curling iron. I think it's ceramic or something like that. So it really does help train the curls, helps the curls stay longer than a regular iron, like a regular curling iron, like a Conair or whatever like that. So it works really good. It wasn't that much. I think I got it for like $20. It was on sale. So this is Malaysian loose wave hair. They gave me all 16 inches. So I have 3 16-inch bundles, and in the frontal is 16 inches as well. I did pluck and bleach the frontal, and it was very easy on my end because it was a good lace, and the frontal was very easy to work with. It wasn't like stiff, when the knots weren't like too big and knotty, you know what I mean, like big and knotty, like big old black balls of knots on there. So it was very easy to adjust and train. This is how this look turned out. So cute. I look like I'm like 13, but this hair is this cute. This hair is really, really cute. I really like it. Oh yeah, and then when I washed it, it bounced back perfectly to the exact same wave pattern that I had when I first got it out of the pack. So all the information will be down below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.